Hello, my name's Rosie and today we are going to make a Modroc superhero. Da, 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 da. For this craft you will need some Modroc bandages, a pair of scissors, half a cup of water, some pipe cleaners, a fine paintbrush and some paints. Now let's get making! First, we need to make the body shape of our superhero. Take your first pipe cleaner and twist it to make a small shape of a circle in the middle. This will be your superhero's head and arms. Now, use 2 more pipe cleaners to create your superhero's body shape and legs, twisting them together to secure in place. Take your final pipe cleaner and twist it into a triangle shape to make your superhero's cape. Put your cape over the head of your superhero and twist together to secure. Dip a strip of Modroc into a cup of water and gently lay your strips of Modroc onto your body shape, wrapping your Modroc round the pipe cleaners and rubbing your finger till all the little holes have disappeared. Repeat this process until all your pipe cleaners are covered with Modroc. Try to build up the layers of Modroc to make your superhero extra strong. Once your Modroc superhero is completely dry, it's time to paint it. Today I'm going to give my superhero yellow and purple costume, complete with silver gloves and a long silver cape. And there we have it! Ta-da! Off to save the world! Well done everyone! Your Modroc superhero is now all finished and ready to save the world! Da, 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 da. Well done. Thank you. Goodbye.